just can't find the right room here. At last, I arrived. This search could have been much easier if a clear signage had provided orientation within the building. A clear labeling is also crucial within the control cabinet. It does not only ensure fast orientation, but also avoids failure because of a wrong connection of components. Luckily, CompleteLine offers options for a systemic marking of all components with minimum effort. A very good example for this is UCT marking material. Thanks to the unified marker groups of CompleteLine products, UCT can be used to mark more than 3,200 different products. Terminal blocks, relays or circuit breaker, UCT fits all. And UCT does not only fit a lot of products, it can also be labeled with every Phoenix contact marking system that operates card material. No matter if you use efficient thermal transfer printing like this, high-quality UV LED printing, or even laser marking technology. The marking of CompleteLine products with UCT material and Phoenix contact marking systems simplifies your marking processes and reduces the parts diversity enormously. Realize a clear, valuable and individual orientation within your control cabinet with minimum effort.